Today I'm going to show you how to install an awning on your car's crossbars. I will demonstrate this on a Nissan SUV, but it is the same process on any other car. I will quickly unpack this side awning that I purchased. It measures 2 by 3 meters. This large awning is designed to provide ample shade and shelter wherever you go, whether it's camping, tailgating, or just hanging out at the beach. As I unpack, notice how compact and lightweight it is, making it easy to install. Plus, the quality materials ensure durability against the elements. Most awnings come with a set of mounting brackets, bolts, nuts, and a complete installation kit. It comes with a durable zipper, which is an essential feature for easily opening and closing the awning. Take these brackets and align them with the mounting points on the awning. This is how the mounting brackets will be positioned on top of the crossbars. I'll quickly demonstrate how to attach the mounting brackets to the awning using the provided bolts. All you need to do is slide the bolts into the groove located at the back of the awning, position them over the crossbars, attach the brackets to the bolts, and finally fasten the nuts. So, that's the basic idea of how to mount this awning on your car. To get this done, I'll need to position this bracket here and drill holes in these crossbars, which I'll demonstrate shortly. This is how the side awning will look after installation. Firstly, it's advisable to remove the crossbars from your car to prevent any potential damage. However, if you're confident in drilling the crossbars without causing harm, you can leave them on. Measure and mark the exact locations where the mounting brackets will be attached. Then, create an indentation using a hammer and a nail before drilling to prevent the drill bit from wandering. Start drilling slowly with the drill perpendicular to the surface of the crossbar. Make sure to use the correct drill bit size by measuring the bolt thickness. Apply steady pressure and drill through the crossbar at the marked points. Take care not to drill too quickly to avoid overheating the drill bit. Place the mounting brackets over the drilled holes on the crossbars and make sure they fit perfectly. Securely fasten nuts on the underside of the crossbars to hold the mounting brackets in place. Drill the second hole to secure the bracket in place. Insert bolts through the brackets and holes. Securely fasten nuts on the underside of the crossbars to hold the mounting brackets in place. Measure and mark the exact locations where the mounting brackets will be attached. Then, create an indentation using a hammer and a nail before drilling to prevent the drill bit from wandering. Securely fasten nuts on the underside of the crossbars to hold the mounting brackets in place. I will add a rubber foam layer between the mounting brackets and crossbars to prevent any scratches or damages. Insert bolts through the brackets, rubber foams, and crossbar holes. Attach the mounting brackets on the other side and tighten the nuts. Install the crossbars back on the car. If you need guidance on installing crossbars on an SUV, I've created a separate video for that. Please check the description box for the video link. Now, install the mounting brackets on the crossbars. I applied lubricant to prevent rust. I had to remove the awning mounting brackets temporarily because I couldn't install the crossbars with them in place. Securely fasten nuts on the underside of the crossbars to hold the mounting brackets in place. Now, slide the bolts into the groove located at the back of the awning. Position them over the crossbars. Align the bolts with the mounting brackets and securely tighten the nuts. This is the awning after installation. Before use, be sure to test the awning by extending and retracting it to ensure smooth operation and stability. If you liked this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends by tapping the share button. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more detailed video tutorials. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.